Hi, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time on Maria's Kitchen, I want to welcome you. I want to let you know that I have about 100 videos, so go back and check out some of the old videos, subscribe and give me a thumbs up or a like, and share with family and friends. And I want to welcome you once again, and please come back because I've got a bunch of brand new spectacular dishes coming up on Maria's Kitchen. Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I am so excited to be here with you today. I have been off for maybe 2 weeks and I'm happy to be back on with you. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make some simple deviled eggs. And I got to read something to you. I'm going to read it real quick. So eggs are a very good source of inexpensive, high quality protein. More than half of the protein of an egg is found in the egg white, which also includes vitamin B2 and lower amounts of fat than the yolk. Eggs are rich sources of selenium, vitamin D, B6, B12, and minerals such as zinc, iron, and copper. Eggs, although they weren't prepared the same way, the roots of the modern day deviled eggs can be traced back to ancient Rome, where eggs were boiled, seasoned with spicy sauces, and then typically served at the beginning of a meal to the wealthy people. So I am going to get back and we are going to get started on these deviled eggs. I want to go over the ingredients really quick. You will need some mayonnaise, you'll need some mustard, you'll need 6 eggs boiled, and then pepper and paprika if you want for garnish, and parsley chopped if you want it for garnish also, that's optional. And we've got the tiny minced pickles and salt, and that's all you will need. Okay, let's get started. We are going to need 6 eggs boiled, hard boiled, for this recipe. I already boiled 6 eggs here, and I will have how to do that in the description area. I've already peeled them, and the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut them in half. As much as you can, try to get it in the center. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get all the egg yolks out, and I will be right back. So I'm all done halving them, and I've got all of the yolks in here. But I want to tell you what I do. I'm actually going to take them to the sink and I'm going to rinse them, and I will be right back. Okay, we're back on, and I've already rinsed them. I just wanted to clean them out because when you want to take them to a party, you want them to look really nice and clean. So here is the egg yolk. I'm going to add an 1/8 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. Now this is just, you know, what I'm doing, but you can also put more if you want. I'm putting a heaping 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, and it's like about a 1/4 cup in a tablespoon. So you can always put more or less, and I am going to actually put some very small minced pickles here, dill pickles. And that's pretty much it, and you're going to break it up very well and creamy, and I will be right back. We're back on, and I just want to let you know that if you want to, you don't have to. Some people don't put mustard, but I'm putting right under a teaspoon of mustard. And so I'm gonna fold this in, and this is the one that is with the diced pickles. Now I have another one over here. I want you to look. I have another one over here that I did, but it only has the egg yolks with the mayonnaise and the pepper and salt and mustard. So this one is plain, and this one has the pickles. So I want to show you a really cute trick. You want to make them fancy. We're going to put the egg into a pastry bag. And you don't have to do this, but this is if you want to make them look really cute for a party, kind of really fancy. So you'll just hold this and you'll go around and you'll fill it up. Look how pretty that is.
Ooh, bougie.
Ooh. I'm back on and I want to show you another way. I have another pastry bag that just has a hole in the center, and you can also just go around like this and fill them up. And this is the one that has the pickles in it, so sometimes it might get stuck in a pastry bag, so I wanted to use the other tip. So I wanted to show you the bag that just had the round hole, and this is just a pastry bag that I got from Wilton, and it's got the round hole, and it's easier when you put the pickles in and it comes right out. So I've got all the pickles right here, and I'm not gonna even put any toppings on that because I've already got some over here with the paprika and some of the parsley. So I'm gonna be back to try one. And I just gotta show you. I'm gonna have you come up close and I'm gonna have you look at both of them. And I'm trying to think which one I want. Pickles, no pickles. I guess I'll try the pickle one. And I'm gonna, you've got to try this. I just wanted to come back on because I needed to let you know that you have to saran wrap this when you put it in the refrigerator, and it's best to put it in, you can leave them overnight for 24 hours and they will be perfect and ready. You can wrap them real loosely and not too tight so you don't mess the pretty tops up, and then you just tuck it under and it'll be ready for your parties. Just put it in the refrigerator and there you go. And I will be back with the scripture of the day. I want to say a prayer for you tonight for good sleep. In Psalms 127:2, God says He gives His beloved sleep. In Proverbs 3:24, God says, when you lie down, you will not be afraid. Your sleep will be sweet. Psalms 4:8, you will lie down both in peace and sleep. For you, God, alone make me dwell in safety. I come in agreement with Matthew 18:19. If two agree about anything, it shall be done. You shall have sweet, peaceful sleep.